Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can remove the Cloudflare Proxy from your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now, I don't have a premium domain, so I can't really add Cloudflare to begin with. So I'll just be using this Cloudflare community post to explain to you guys how you can actually remove Cloudflare from your site. Now this should work with pretty much any site, including Squarespace. So yeah, let's just get right into it. As you can see, this person here is asking about setting up a site with Wix and removing or disabling any Cloudflare masking and proxies so the domain can connect to Wix. And as you can see, this person has given them the correct answer. In this case, you need to go to your dashboard on Cloudflare. Then near the bottom is the advanced actions, and then select pause Cloudflare on site. And once you do that, all proxying will be disabled, and Cloudflare's DNS service will point to your host or origin directly. Now, this does reveal the IP address of all hosts, so keep that in mind. But that is pretty much it. Other than that, if you want to completely remove Cloudflare from your site on Squarespace, you're going to have to manually go ahead and enter the DNS settings. You do this by going into your settings, then going into domains and email, and then under domains, just click the domain you're currently using. This is a free domain, so I can't really use it at the current moment, but you can just go there, go into the DNS settings, and disable everything regarding Cloudflare. So that is pretty much it. And yeah, sorry I couldn't show you guys any more, but as I mentioned, I don't have a bot domain, so it is what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.